Yo, what's good guys? So another one today. We're at this old, looks like an old little house guys. So I am with the Voidy Viking Explorer. He is around upstairs. But we're starting off downstairs first guys. We have an old shoe on the floor. So we're going to go into this room. It's only a small one. Go through here. Some more shoes. I will show you the outside like usual after. But for now, we're going to go this way. And we're going to see what's upstairs. I haven't been up yet guys, but the Viking is around. I'm watching where I'm going because I know there's loads of holes. There's the Viking. Oh, we have some more shoes.
Yeah, right.
Some more down there. You reckon someone was sleeping here?
No.
No way.
No, mate.
No way.
Don't think it could ever be possible.
A door on the floor. Tongue twister for the
That
day.
is
Amazing.
spooky.
A door on the floor.
I mean,
That's where we come from.
go.
Goes because there's a door on the floor.
I mean, no one's lived there for years, so how the fuck's the door got on the floor? Got the bloody thing. I mean, look. Smash the fucking hole in the wall.
It's even in the floor there. Well, it must be safe because we've got two fat bastards up here. Just like food, mate. The spooky door on the floor.
I might get 5 photos out of this.
Right guys, I think that's it for the video here. We'll go outside, show you the outside, and then see what else is there. Let's go. And this is from the outside. I can't come too far back because I've got trees all behind me, but I can show you the best I can. Just a little roadside find as we're driving to another location. And yeah, that's it guys. So that's all we've got time for. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. Don't forget to check out the Voidy Viking Explorer on Facebook, and also don't forget to check out all the social medias come up on the screen. See you in the next one.
Bonus clip.
Yo, what's good guys? We're another one today. Say we, there's the Viking in the background. Hey! Hiding. But yeah, we've literally come across this place here in the middle of the field. And we're going to see what it is because it looks a bit like an air raid shelter. So we're going to go. Probably fall on my arse as well. But we're going. It's hard with a camera in hand. Is that gunshots?
Yeah.
Not again. Not again. Never happened last time. Yeah, and this is, it's only a little bunker.
Yeah, it's all it is.
Just a little bunker. It's just something. So we'll have a quick look inside before we get shot. Shot at again. Hello. Let's go in. Oh. Yeah. Cobwebs everywhere. It's just a little one. Just brings you out obviously to the other side. It doesn't go any further. But yeah, this is just a little one for you for today.